Apple started the trend of truly wireless earbuds when they introduced the Apple AirPods. And now, about 2 years later, and we have perfect replicas of Apple's AirPods. But the question everyone wants to know is, how good can a $40 pair of AirPod knockoffs be? Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. I'd like to go ahead and thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. It really goes a long way to supporting my channel, and it allows me to buy more tech to review, like the product today. Also, if you're on Telegram, I would encourage you to go ahead and join my Telegram group. I have a big community of people there talking about everything from AirPods to Xiaomi products. Okay, we're gonna start at the unboxing experience, and the unboxing experience is honestly phenomenal. We have packaging, which is an exact replica of the AirPods packaging, including the lightning cable. Now, ironically enough, the instructions that come inside of the AirPods are actually for the i10 TWS, leading me to believe that these are in fact the same headphones. It is to note that these are Bluetooth 5.0 as noted in the instructions, and I can confirm that they do have excellent range. Like all of my reviews and commentary on products, we are going to start with the design. And the design on them is honestly identical to that of the Apple AirPods, as in a perfect one-to-one replica down to the charging port. Although the lid of them does not feel as quality as an authentic pair of AirPods, and the seams don't perfectly line up, they do still open and close very reassuringly and are still a lot of fun to fidget with. There is a green light on the inside of the case which indicates which headphone is charging, or if both of them are charging. The moment you remove them from the case, they begin looking to pair with the device, and they pair extremely quick. It's also great to note that all of the controls and all of the commentary for them are in English, unlike the Xiaomi Mi AirDot. Now that we've briefly touched on the design, to go over some of the features, these are Bluetooth 5.0. They offer about 2.5 to 3 hours of playback per charge on the headphones. The case is good for another 3 to 4 charges, so you're looking at approximately 10 to 12 hours of playback. And the headphones themselves recharge really quick. I have gotten them down pretty close to 0 on a couple of occasions, and within about 15 to 20 minutes, they're already showing more than a 50% charge. So they do recharge really quickly. I won't know if I would consider it a fast charge, but the headphones themselves do recharge really quickly, and the case takes about 45 minutes to an hour to charge. While we're still talking about the features of them, they do feature Bluetooth 5.0 as well as touch controls on the ears. Now, to move into the touch controls work pretty well. The left ear is the dominant ear, so when you double tap the left side, it skips forward. When you triple tap it, it rewinds. And if you touch either side, you can go ahead and pause the track or go ahead and summon the voice assistant feature. Now, I would have liked to have seen controls that are more similar to that on the QCY T1 Pros, but I would rank the AirPod clones in regards to controls as better than the Mi AirDots, but not as good as the QCY. Finally, in regards to features, let's talk about sound quality. Now, they do support an AAC audio codec, and in a quiet listening environment such as a home office, they sound phenomenal. Tons of bass, really, really clear, and great overall attention to detail in the mids and the highs. Now, finally, like all reviews, let's talk real quick about the value. Now, I rank all of my truly wireless headphones on a criteria, and I'll link to that video, which will be getting posted later this week right up here. But essentially, I would say that these AirPod knockoffs feature most of the criteria that I use when evaluating truly wireless headphones. The first is controls. They have good controls. They're not as good as the QCY, but they are better than the Mi AirDots. The second is the quality of the case. Now, it's a perfect replica of the Apple's AirPod case, including the lightning port. So if you have an iPhone or you use the lightning connectors for other gadgets, you're in luck here because they'll charge the same way. Also to note that the size of this case makes them really easy to put in your pocket. Now, the third criteria that I judge all wireless headphones with is the sound signature. So if they are the type with a ear cushion to go ahead and isolate you, how well do they isolate you? With these are more of a environmental sound letting in type of device, and for that they fit and stay in my ears fine, and they allow outside noise in fine. The fourth facet of good wireless headphones is battery life, and at 2.5 hours, I haven't had a listening session that's been more than 2.5 consecutive hours. They recharge really fast, and overall for truly wireless headphones, if they last more than 2.5 hours or so, I would say that the battery life is more than acceptable. I will be doing another follow-up video where I give these headphones a bit more of a test, I guess you could say, and give you kind of my week-long feedback on using them. Have they broken yet? What's the overall quality been like? I'm gonna do my best job finding the exact model of headphones that I have, and I will have them linked to all of my affiliates down below. If you guys are on Telegram, join my Telegram community, and until next time, it's Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.